Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum has basically just been moving sideways. Already mentioned to you, it was yesterday, I think, or even earlier today, that we might see a break of that trend line, because on the weekend we often see just sideways movement and trend lines are oftentimes not respected on the weekend. So it did break out of the channel, not necessarily unusual in diagonal patterns. It is a sign of temporary weakness though, or at least, yeah, sideways consolidation, so I can take that channel off the chart. Still though, the most important thing is we're holding above support. Price seems to be dancing around that 1.618 extension here at 3,733. Still looking for higher, obviously. That's the idea. You know, as long as nothing breaks, I'm giving the bulls the benefit of the doubt. What I don't like is this bottoming structure, as you know. I know, however, that many cryptos, they tend to rally from very ugly structures. So there is not, I'm tracking it primarily as a diagonal pattern. There is no reliable impulsive structure that has developed from those swing lows here. Absolutely no reliable impulsive structure. I'm not ruling out it could be an impulse, you know, but I just don't see it at the moment. And I'm tracking it, as I said, as a diagonal, wave 1, wave 2, and then A, B. And this is basically a C wave to the upside, which could get one more high. The C wave could be an impulse. Also not entirely sure about it. Therefore, I just, have to give it a bit of space in the support region, and the support area is unchanged from previous updates. It's still between 3,210 and $3,646. Against this support region, the focus can be on higher in wave 5 of C of 3, because the idea is that wave 2 bottomed here on Wednesday, and this is now a third wave, which could be finished. It's long enough, it's done enough, but from a microstructure point of view, I'd still prefer one more high. Okay, if it breaks below Thursday low, which printed at 3,530, we might be in the larger fourth wave already. In my opinion, it still needs one more high, at least, maybe two. Okay, so maybe one more high in wave 3, then wave 4, then wave 5. If that happens, I will have to adjust the support region with the price, as you know. But at the moment, this is the support area we have to be watching. As long as nothing breaks, I'm giving the bulls the benefit of the doubt, even though if I, yeah, it's fine. Even though this really has a lot of B-wave characteristics, the current rally, all right? But it's the routine. So we had some nice movements from the base here. I'm just gonna roll up the support zone with the price, and when it breaks, then we have likely a top in wave B. At the moment, the base case is still that, well, this is a wave 4, so either the wave 4 already bottomed. I'm tracking it like that until support breaks. If we come down again, then we're likely going to test this support region again. It depends literally on how high the B wave goes. So if this is a B wave rally only, then obviously it's likely we test lower support regions again. It takes a break below this support region first, however. And if the B wave is high, and it might also the B wave might get another high, then again, it might just sort of test just this area again, right? That we might not even go down to around about 2,400 or so. It might just sort of land in the region here around 2,800, 2,900 again. We'll see how it develops. It's a bit of an ambiguous structure here, unfortunately. But I'm sure soon it will be clear again. And until then, we're just going to watch the parameters. Looking at the bigger picture, maybe quickly. ETH daily. So looking at the ETH daily, also here, unfortunately, the larger time frame chart has morphed into something a bit messy last month, turned from a possible impulse into something that I would call only a diagonal, or maybe even a triangle or something. It's not very clear anymore, but the base case is still that this is the white count that we're following. It could be a lot of different stuff, honestly, but most importantly, we had a nice move from the base here, from the support region, and the price is now formed 3 waves up. I need 5 though, as I just showed you on the smaller time frame, to give a good confirmation that we've bottomed here in this smaller degree 4th wave, and then we take it from there. It's Yeah, Ether had a lot of potential for this bull run. Obviously, it still has. I'm not bearish on it, but obviously it turned into, at best, a diagonal, and that is just not great. And also the Ether Bitcoin pair isn't giving me those strong uptrend vibes at the moment. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. So just need to be a bit careful here, a bit flexible with this chart. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.